Hey, this is Brian. Sara and I were lucky enough to visit Tokyo for about 10 days and stayed at the Edo Sakura, a hotel ryokan. Come along with us as we give you a tour of the hotel and some tips and tricks to make your stay more memorable. Be sure to hit that subscribe button and bell icon so you don't miss any of our upcoming videos. This is Khaki Shorts, where we cover travel, food, and just utter nonsense. The Edo Sakura is in the Ueno neighborhood of Tokyo. We were arriving at Narita Airport, so we took the Skyliner train to Ueno Station, then transferred to the Hibiya line, going one stop north to the Ariya Station. If you have unwieldy luggage, be sure to go out exit number 4. There's an elevator you can take to street level. Exit 3 is only a little bit closer, but you'll have to lug your bags up steps. From there, it's only about a 5-minute walk. On the way, you'll pass a mini-stop convenience store only a block or so away from the hotel. This is a great place to grab bottled water, snacks, and even entire meals. The Edo Sakura is on a quiet side street nestled between everyday homes. Upon entering, you will be greeted by one of the staff, all of whom became almost like friends during our stay, and all speak English. They will sit you down, make you some tea, check you in, and explain where everything is and how everything works. Then they will take you to your room and give you a tour. The hotel is only 5 floors, but there is a convenient elevator big enough for you and your bags. The hotel has 2 different types of rooms, more Western style with regular beds, or a more traditional Japanese ryokan style with tatami flooring, and traditional futon mats and duvets for sleeping on the floor. If this is your first time sleeping like this, don't be scared to ask for a second foam mat or extra pillows. I tried resting with only one mat, but it was not very comfortable. I'm a side sleeper and it hurt my hips. A call to the desk and they gladly brought up a second mat and extra pillows. Upon entering the room, remove your shoes and walk in your socks or use the provided sandals. This is out of respect and also so that you won't damage the tatami flooring. Unlike traditional ryokan, where there's just a paper door between you and the rest of the house, here it has a locking hotel-style door. There's also this handy magnetic Do Not Disturb sign to put on your door if you're in for the night, taking a nap, or if you just like to relax au naturel. In the main area, your bedding stays folded up along one wall during the day so you have more room. At night, the bedding unfolds for sleeping. There's a smaller area where you can put luggage. It also has an outlet so you can charge cell phones, laptops, and in my case, backup video camera batteries. The room also has great Wi-Fi if you want to bring your laptop for researching things on your trip. There's also this table and 2 chairs, but you have to sit really close to the floor. There's a set of hangers by the door for your jackets as well as closet space in the room. There's a television. We only turned it on a couple of times. The only thing we found on was Japanese game shows. They have an electronic safe so you can put your cash and jewelry inside and use your own code to make sure it's safe while you're gone. See what I did there? It's safe in the safe. Get it? Okay, moving on. There's a slim heating and air unit which is actually controlled by a remote. We went in late February, so it was cool outside, but it stayed warm enough in our room we actually never had to turn it on. If it got too warm, we would just open the window for a little while. So, on to the bathroom. Not super huge, but good enough for what it's there for. There's a nice Toto toilet with a bidet. We love the toilets in Japan. A standard sink with some counter space, and a small shelf. The shower has a bifold door, a handheld sprayer that can be, well, held. Hooked about hip height, or hooked up higher for a more traditional shower. The hotel provides pump bottles of shampoo, conditioner, and body soap. The shower controls took us a little bit to figure out. The handle on the left is used to control the temperature, and the one on the right is to turn the water on and off and the pressure. For your lounging pleasure, or if you want to walk around the hotel in them, yukatas are provided. They're very simple to put on, just always fold the left over first, then the right, and tie with the obi, which is the cloth belt. Don't fold the right over first, as this is traditionally done at funerals. The Edo Sakura does not have an onsen, but they do have hot baths you can rent for 40 minutes for only about $5. This is called an ofuro. You can make a reservation at the front desk and pay there. Inside the private bath, there's a handheld shower with all the amenities so you can, and definitely should, bathe yourself before getting into the ofuro itself. These baths are made for soaking, not for cleaning yourself. There's nothing better than a nice hot soak before bed or after a long walk. It is truly relaxing and you will soothe any aching muscles. The ofuro here is large enough so that 2 people can share the bath. Great for couples. Meals are not included in the price of your room, but you can purchase breakfast for a small fee. The meals are well prepared and come with tea, coffee, or water. They have 4 different types of meals: a toast set, a rice set, a continental set, which is the closest to a Western breakfast, and a salmon set. Just purchase your meal the night before and they will give you a laminated card to hand to the kitchen staff the next morning. During our stay, we had breakfast here about 4 times, trying all 4 types. It is well worth the money and makes it easier to eat and then head back up to your room to shower and get ready for the day. They also have a couple of vending machines on the first floor to get water, juice, snacks, and my personal favorite, Pocari Sweat. If you have time, be sure to attend the tea ceremony in their tea room from 10 to 10:30 in the morning. We were pretty busy our whole trip and never made time to see it. We kind of wish we had. The lobby has some pretty cool decorations and seating areas if you just need to hang out. They also have daily newspapers in English and Japanese, as well as a basket of toiletries in case you forgot anything. The staff here is always helpful with anything you need. Leaving here, we took the Shinkansen bullet train to Osaka. Be sure to check out that video using the link above or at the end of this video. Instead of dragging our luggage around, the desk staff helped us use a courier service to deliver our bags to a hotel in Osaka. They also accepted a food delivery for us one evening and paid for it because the delivery driver didn't want to wait. Then we paid them back. I can't say enough about the staff here. They treat everyone like a guest in their home. So if you're looking for someplace near 2 subway stations and a quiet part of town with a distinctly Japanese feel and service that goes above and beyond, then the Edo Sakura is a safe bet. Thanks everyone for coming along. Be sure to hit that subscribe button and bell icon so you don't miss any of our upcoming videos.